Welcome to today's video. My name's Chef Kurt Kwiatkowski, and we've got Kevin and Joe with me today, and today we're gonna be making chicken tacos. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab that marinated chicken out of the fridge.
Good.
And we got our pan, and what we wanna make sure is that pan's nice and hot, and what we wanna hear is like snap, crackle, and pop, and we don't wanna overcrowd the pan. That's what we wanna hear.
Oh, baby.
That's what I'm talking about.
Look at that, huh?
And you can wash your hands. So sanitation's really, really important. The last thing we want is to get you sick. So just remember, raw chicken equals not feeling good. So we don't want that. So we always want to be cleaning, especially our hands, whenever we're doing something like this.
When should I flip it?
Not yet. What we want to do is, you're probably looking for like 3 to 4 minutes. And then it's a turn because we want nice brown caramelization on it. So go ahead and we should be able to flip now. Oh yeah, see?
My.
Ooh. That's perfect. That's perfect. After we've gotten our couple of minutes on both sides of caramelization, what we're gonna do is pull them off, and we're gonna bring our chicken over the cutting board. Now, holding the knife, fingers, wrapping it around. Just nice thin cuts. You got that?
Yep.
So that just goes right back in. And that's okay, we wanna hear that sear again. And then we've got our chicken stock. It's probably gonna take a good, maybe another 10, 15 minutes to just finish cooking.
Okay.
And now while that's going, I'm gonna have you on the tortilla detail. And we're gonna put them in a saute pan, and then we're gonna lightly brown them on both sides. And we've got some tin foil that after they're done cooking, you just wrap them in the tin foil, and they will stay hot for a good 35, 45 minutes. And you'll still have a nice warm tortilla for your tacos. So everyone can take their tortilla. We can take some chicken, pickled red onion, just a little bit of cilantro. We got our tacos, everyone loves tacos, right? And so then what we can do is talk about having some beans on the side, maybe some rice. You can buy some pre-packaged, pre-seasoned, like Mexican rice or something like that, that'll go great. Follow the instructions, they're there for a reason. And then with the black beans, always rinse them.
Okay.
Get that can, rinse them, rinse them, rinse them. Throw some vegetables in there. Maybe you got part of an onion, some jalapenos, and then it's flavor. We'll probably have like a little bit of marinade that wasn't in our chicken or our protein, so you can add that to the beans. Just do a little mashing of them. You don't have to do a lot because there's a lot of flavor really in them. So in the end, when we put our rice and our beans and our tacos together, people are gonna be like, oh wow, I can't believe this. And you're gonna be like, yeah, I worked really hard on that, right? So again, you know, this was our version of tacos. All of our ingredients came from Spartans Market over at the 1855 place. So thank you very much.
Visit Spartans Market at 1855 Place on the campus of Michigan State University to purchase any items used in this recipe.